Hi all, good morning. Welcome back to our channel Remi's Vlog. Today is 7 September and Saturday, it's a weekend, and today is Ganesh Chaturthi. So happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Today we are going to Charmadi Ghat, and now time is around 6 a.m. in the morning. Started a bit late. So it's a day trip to Charmadi Ghat today. We'll try to cover nearest places of Charmadi Ghat and we'll try to come back. It's around 330 kilometer from Bangalore, our area, Sarjapur Road. And up and down it would be 650 kilometer odd. Two ways to go Charmadi Ghat. One is via Sakleshpur, Somwarpet. Another one is via Belur. So we'll be taking Belur route today. And in between we'll take some brief breakfast break as well. So watch till the end of this video. You will get all the information, necessary information, where to stop for lunch, breakfast, those details, route details. And whoever is new to our channel, please do subscribe. Stay tuned with us. So we are entering Nice Road toll. So from here we'll take Tumkur exit, and after that via Nilmangala we'll try to connect Belur Road. So now we are on Nice Road. This is one of the favorite road. The tarmac is excellent and we can drive a particular limit. So the thing is, Karnataka traffic police has enforced a law of traffic fine in state highways, basically like Nice Road, Mysore Express Highway. So whenever you are driving, be cautious on the speed limit, because they are checking almost everywhere with their scanner as well as physically. So be mindful on that part.
And you won't able to see where they are standing also.
Yeah, they are. I mean,
थपची घुपची कहीं पे भी रह सकता है.
Correct. So they are like it is not known. You cannot predict basically. And now it is around 6:30 a.m. and we can see the mist.
Yeah, the weather is too
Looking
good.
very nice.
Yes, yes. We have reached near Paksala for breakfast. It's around 7:34. So here is Paksala.
So we have reached our breakfast destination today in Pakshala. It is in Solur area. So whenever you are planning in the early morning towards Chikmagalur or Hassan or Belur side, even Dharmasthala side, you can put a pit stop over here in Pakshala. It is a nice place. We'll share the feedback of the taste as well.
Hi, we are here for breakfast, and for breakfast we have ordered puri, idli vada, and one masala dosa. It doesn't came yet. We are waiting for dosa, but very hungry now. So can't wait for eating. Let's start having food. And पूजा भी उधर start हो रहा है, गणेश पूजा, as you can see.
Yes, this area they are organizing Ganesh Puja. So we had a quick breakfast in Pakshala. Food was good.
Very good. It was very light actually. You will not feel heavy.
Yeah, that is a good pit stop in this way. You can
Yes.
put it is near Solur. So we are back on the road. From here, Charmadi is around 240 plus kilometer, and it is showing around 4.5 to 5 hours. So we will try to speed up and see how fast we can reach with safety, all safety measure, obviously. So
And for the first time, we got a very good, what to say, mileage.
yes.
For the first time, we are getting around 16. So we are very happy for that.
Yeah, so for this 90 kilometer whatever we drove, but there was no traffic as such. Yeah, through nice road mostly, and then this Kunigal bypass road.
We got
We got good mileage. So this 4x4 Scorpio N diesel 80. Till now we did not cross 15, but it is
today we got it 16.
16 as of now. So let's see how it goes.
Hello.
Hi,
What are you doing, Bobby?
I'm eating
What are you eating now?
bourbon.
Bourbon biscuit.
Yes.
Oh, do you
and
have?
Oreo.
Okay. Do you have any bag?
Yes.
You want to show? What is that?
Baby bag.
Okay. Just open and show.
I don't know
You don't know?
what is it.
ओके सो हम लोग जब ट्रिप में जाते हैं तो मेरा
हाँ।
बेटा के लिए भी एक बैग कैरी करते हैं तो उसमें आई आस्क हिम टू कैरी बाय योर यू हैव टू कैरी योर ओन बैग जहाँ पे उनका छोटा मोटा खाना बिस्किट्स जूस ये सब हम लोग रखते हैं
Toys.
टॉयज
Some activity book, story book,
यस यस
so that for long trip he can spend his own time.
यस
He can be engaged with some activities.
Yes, you can keep colors, drawing book also. And क्योंकि हाईवे काफ़ी स्मूथ होता है he can draw also and color also. So ये तो बच्चों को एंगेज रखने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है तो और खुद को भी एंगेज रखने के लिए आप लोग स्टोरी बुक भी कैरी कर सकते हो है ना
True, correct.
सो ओके एज फार एज नाउ बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है सब कुछ वेदर बहुत ही सीनिक है बहुत ही अच्छा है और रोड तो मतलब फुल ऑफ ग्रीनरीज एंड ऑल एंड
NH 75 is pretty good. No complaint on this part.
यस यस
Butter smooth, right?
यस
A few moments later.
As you can see, after 200 kilometer drive, we got 16.3 kmpl mileage in Scorpio and 4-wheel drive, which is excellent. So now we are on NH 373. It is a single lane highway, and the first portion of this particular NH towards Hassan, around 8 to 10 kilometers was pretty patchy, and you cannot ramp your car up beyond 50 kilometer per hour. So after that its stretch is pretty good. Now we are going through a very lush greenery stretch and enjoying the drive, and also a bit of drizzling has started. So और क्या चाहिए मानसून में ड्राइव करने के लिए. It is very nice. So we are at Nehru Circle of Belur. From here, if you go straight, the straight road, it will go towards Chikmagalur, and take left towards Mangalore, Dharmasthala, those areas. So we will be taking left towards our destination Charmadi Ghat. So from here it is around 74 kilometer left and showing ETA of 12:46 p.m. This is NH73 and from this junction left road goes to Sakleshpur Samwarpet and the main one goes towards Mangalore Udupi Kalasa Sringeri. So around 55 kilometers left for Charmadi section, and from this point the Ghat section has started. So basically Charmadi section is a stretch of around 15 kilometer of Ghat section in Western Ghat. It falls between basically two district of Karnataka. One is Dakshin Kannada, and one is Chikmagalur. So the starting point from Bangalore, when we are entering this Charmadi Ghat, we are entering through Dakshin Kannada district, and while leaving it is on the Chikmagalur district. So now we are on Banakal in Mudigedi. It is a Zenith market area. From here around 27 kilometer left. Hill is clearly visible. On top of hill it's fully mist and clouded. You can see how nice it is looking. The National Highway 73 climbs the Western Ghats from Charmadi. This Ghat section has 12 hairpin curves and receives very heavy rainfall, over 7,000 mm during the monsoon. Hence the roads would be mostly wet. However, near to Annappa Swami temple on this Ghat section, road is very narrow and only one vehicle can pass at a time. Please careful when you are driving on this section, as this is a bus route as well. So as you can see, the road is full of mist and almost very less visibility, and we have to switch on the hazard light in Charmadi Ghat section.
It's too nice.
Yep. And this is the best time actually. This is the best time to enjoy the drive, enjoy the nature, enjoy the waterfalls, whatever is possible here. This is the best time in monsoon. I mean, other time also is pretty good, but the mist, the drizzle, all together it makes heavenly here. That would be really enjoyable.
Literally now it's 12:30, but we are feeling like it's morning 4 o'clock.
True. It is 12:30 p.m. But whenever we'll be watching the video, we'll feel it might have taken in the early morning.
Oh my god. It's too misty. It's too misty.
So now we are in the main waterfall of Charmadi Ghat. As you can see, the mist and clouds are floating around, and the very surprising thing is, if you pass by this area and go about 5 to 8 kilometers more, you will get a different picture altogether. There might not be much cloud and misty. There might be, it is sunny. We just went few kilometers, probably 8 to 10 kilometers, and we saw there is no sign of clouds. There is no sign of clouds basically, and it is sunny. But here, other part, I mean towards probably Dakshin Kannada side, here the picture altogether is different. You can see clouds are floating, mist are everywhere, and lush greenery. It is very wondering. So this is the basically best time to visit Charmadi Ghat. Probably it's worth to have a day trip as well, like how we are doing. Otherwise, if somebody is planning to go Mangalore side, Dharmasthala side, Udupi side, you can pass by Charmadi Ghat and enjoy the nature. Nature at its best during this monsoon time over Charmadi Ghat. So we have enjoyed the Charmadi Ghat, Ghat Road Drive, Ghat Section Drive, and we went till near to Ujire and came back. So now we are returning back to Bangalore. It is around 2 PM now. So nearby there is a cafe called Ivani Cafe in another 20 kilometer. So we are thinking of having like small lunch kind of thing, lunch cum snacks. Let's see.
So we are here in Ibani Cafe for having our lunch. Let's see what's there, what we can get there. So now we are in Ibani Cafe. So you can see what foods are available here. Today we have ordered lemon rice, paratha and neer dosa. Let's taste this, then only we will review how the food is.
We have completed our snacks cum lunch in Ivani Cafe. It is good and budget friendly also. And now we are heading towards Bangalore. Around 288 kilometers remaining, and ETA is around 9 PM. So in between we'll take some tea break maybe, and then directly we'll reach to home.
I would recommend everyone to visit Charmadi Ghat. Actually, it's worth visiting. There are few staying option is also there. So
Yes, so basically near to Charmadi Ghat there are few homestays option, as well as just after few kilometers, 10 to 15 kilometers in Ujire town, you could get good hotels as well. It is also close to Dharmasthala, and people who are traveling towards Udupi, Mangalore anyway, they will go through the Ghat section. So it is worth visiting, even for like a day trip, like how we are doing today. It's a day trip. It is worth visiting. Probably up and down from Bangalore, it will be close to 650 to 700 kilometer, but still it is worth visiting, especially in monsoon season.
अगर आपको नेचर को अच्छे से एंजॉय करना है तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन कम. You will get too much fog, and you know it's a very wonderful environment.
Very true. So you would highly recommend this place. That is the ultimate Ghat section.
The
to
weather is
enjoy.
too good.
Correct. Enjoy the nature and spend some time close to the nature. And from Bangalore, based on your staying option, where you're staying, it would be like up and down around 650 to 700 kilometer. And route is also pretty nice. There is no hiccups at all. Only a stretch of around 8 to 10 kilometers in SH73 close to Vellore. After Vellore, there would be a little patchy, but that is still okay. Not a big deal. So you can come easily and enjoy. And so today we did a very short trip, I mean day trip basically, from Bangalore to Charmadi Ghat and going back. So we'll be ending our vlog here itself, because we are taking same route. And if you like our video, please do subscribe and share to your friend and families. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye.